In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 things that people tend to overlook when getting their house ready for fall. Tip number 1 is to clean out your dryer vent. Now, this is really something you should do probably once or twice a year at least, just to make sure that lint isn't getting built up inside of the dryer vent. Now, the dryer vent is that piece of tubing that goes between your dryer and the outside. Now, even if you have a lint trap inside your dryer, lint can still build up inside the tube that goes between the dryer and the outside. So you want to make sure to clean out any extra lint that's in there. This just helps reduce the chance of fire, and it also helps make your dryer more efficient. Speaking of dry air, this is a great time to have your whole house humidifier checked out, and not just that, but your entire furnace. The easiest way to do this is just schedule an appointment with an HVAC company to have them come out and check out your furnace. And you want to make sure you do this before it gets too cold, so that way if there's any problems, it's found early, it can be fixed and repaired, and you don't have to worry about something happening when it's actually really cold out and you might have to deal with an emergency fee. For the next tip, this is a great time to see if you have any hazardous materials that you need to get rid of, like fluorescent bulbs, oil for a car, any extra paint that you might have left over from a home improvement project, or any chemicals that you might not need anymore. Plan on taking these items to a hazardous waste disposal facility. Also check with your city to see if they have any kind of a program where they will pick these things up from your house for you, and if not, to see what their hours are for the facility to dispose of these items yourself. Now, obviously, there are more than 5 things you need to do in the fall to prepare your house for the winter, and because of that, I put together a checklist of 25 things that you should take care of around the house, and this includes both things on the inside of your house and the outside. So if you're interested in that checklist, I'll have a link in the description below where you can go and check that out. Tip number 4 is to prepare your lawn equipment for the winter. Now, if you know that you're not going to use things like your lawnmower again until the spring, it's a great time to do preventative maintenance like changing the oil, treating the gas to make sure the gas doesn't go bad over the winter, and to just really give your items a thorough clean. That'll help make sure everything lasts through the winter, it's in top condition, and it will be ready for you in the spring when you need it again. Now, if you have a gas grill, this is a great time to thoroughly clean it and also disconnect the propane tank and be sure to cover it. Anything you can do now to prepare your grill for the spring, you'll really appreciate when it's time to go out and use it for the first time. Hopefully you enjoyed this list. If you did, I have a link in the description below where you can go and request the checklist I've put together. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to the Top Homeowner channel, I encourage you to do that. Our goal is to help you become the very best homeowner you can be. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.